Have you ever dreamed of that beautiful sun-kissed hair look without spending hours under the sun or using harsh salon treatments? Today I will show you how to make a DIY lightening spray that not only brightens your hair naturally, but also keeps it protected, soft and healthy. This is my new upgraded recipe, combining the best ingredients based on your feedback and my hair lightening experiments. And at the end of the video, I will also share the best tips on how to care for your hair after lightening it to keep it strong, shiny and full of life. Let's jump right into it. This spray is designed to gradually lighten your hair with a beautiful natural effect, just like after a summer holiday. And the best part? It won't dry your hair out thanks to a few key ingredients like flaxseed and glycerin. First, let's make the protective base. Into a clean and disinfected pot, add 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and about 200 ml of distilled water. Place it on low heat and bring it to a gentle boil for around 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You will notice the consistency getting slightly thicker. That's exactly what we want. Now add 4 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers. I'm using Matricaria chamomile, also known as German chamomile, because it contains the highest amount of beneficial compounds like apigenin, which enhances the lightening effect much more than other types of chamomile. Turn the heat off, cover the pot and let the flowers steep for about 5 minutes. After that, gently mash the flowers to extract even more goodness. Since the flowers absorb a lot of liquid, I added just enough extra distilled water to cover them again, about 200 ml in total. Bring it almost to a boil again, turn off the heat and cover the pot. After about 10 minutes, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth, squeezing out every drop. And here it is, a golden liquid combining runny flaxseed gel and strong chamomile infusion. Leave it now to cool completely. Don't throw away the leftover pulp. It's a perfect, nourishing face and neck mask. You can apply it straight to your skin or mix it with a little yogurt. It's especially wonderful for calming sensitive, irritated or acne-prone skin and for restoring deep hydration. Once your flaxseed chamomile base has cooled completely, it's time to finish our spray. Measure out 44 grams of the mixture and combine it with 5 grams of glycerin. Both ingredients will deeply moisturize your hair and protect it during the lightening process. Transfer this into a clean, disinfected spray bottle. Now measure 50 grams of 6% hydrogen peroxide and pour it in. The hydrogen peroxide works as the main lightening agent. Based on experiment I did on blonde, brown or even black hair, when combined with chamomile, it's much more effective and much gentle than using hydrogen peroxide alone. Next, add essential oils. I'm using 10 drops of chamomile essential oil and 10 drops of lime essential oil. You can also use lemon essential oil if you prefer. They not only smell amazing, leaving a strong scent on your hair, but also naturally boost the lightening effect. Finally, add your preservative. I'm using 10 drops. If you plan to use the spray right away and within a day, you can skip the preservative. The amount we are making today is enough for 200 ml bottles. I keep one in my bathroom drawer away from sunlight and the other one in the fridge to extend its freshness. Best is to use a dark glass bottle to protect the spray from sunlight. For demonstration purposes, I'm showing it today in a transparent bottle so we can see the final result. Now let's apply the spray. As you can see, my hair is quite dark right now. I only used hydrogen peroxide spray maybe 2 times over autumn and winter. Summer is coming, so for me it's the perfect time to start lightening it again. First, divide your hair the way you normally wear it, in the middle or on the side. Don't forget to wear protective gloves to avoid any irritation from hydrogen peroxide. Take small sections from the outer layers of your hair, the parts that would naturally catch the sun, and spray the mixture onto them, a few centimeters away from the scalp. Then use your fingers to distribute it gently toward the roots. I'm mainly focusing on the strands on top of my head, creating natural highlights, those around my face and the ends. This creates the most natural effect. I usually do this every 2-3 weeks depending on how strong I want the effect. I also apply it on the day I plan to wash my hair. After spraying, I clip my hair up and leave it for 1 to 2 hours before washing it out, and then using conditioner and finishing with an apple cider vinegar rinse. Here is how my hair looked before starting the lightening spray. And here is the result after just 3 applications. The change is soft and gradual, perfect for creating that natural sun-kissed look without harsh roots showing later. And here you can see how my hair looks in natural light after 3 uses of the lightening spray. To keep your hair healthy, shiny and strong after lightening, it's really important to nourish and protect it. After every lightening session, I always follow up with an apple cider vinegar rinse to restore the natural pH of the hair and add shine. I have a full video on how to make and use it. Check it out in the description box below or on my DIY hair care playlist. I'm also using deep conditioning masks and moisturizing hair treatments, as well as lightweight oils to seal in hydration. One of my favorites is my DIY hair oil blend. I also have a full recipe video for it, linked below in the description box. And don't forget to check out my full DIY hair lightening playlist for more ideas, experiments, and natural ways to lighten your hair beautifully and safely. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty DIYs. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!